Hi everyone, today we're reviewing the GermGuardian UV light and odor reducing filter. So as you can see, I put it in my bathroom where the kitty litter is. He's usually a pretty good cat, but it does have some odor once in a while. So after plugging it in, I do notice it reduces the odor quite a little bit, and also with the UV light, it does make me feel a lot better about my family using this bathroom with the litter killer inside. I don't know if you can hear it. It does have a little humming sound because it operates in a fan inside this little motor. But because again it's a bathroom, so the noise is not really bothersome for me on a regular basis. Hope you guys enjoy it. So would I recommend it? I would definitely recommend it for a small area because it doesn't take up any space. That you can see, it just plug it in into my wall charger, and I don't really have a lot of floor space, so to put a stand up sanitizer in the bathroom is just not doable. So with this, plugging it into the outlet is perfect, and it does actually leave space for the other outlet, so I can still charge whatever electronic device I need in the bathroom even though this is plugged in and in operation. So as you can see, I still have my regular fan here, but for just day-to-day, it does the job and eliminate the odor. Hope you guys enjoy it.